Hey everybody, it's game time. I thought it was going to be a really boring, well, it's not too boring. I'm working like crazy on my eBay store, but a rather boring, rainy, dreary, cold Saturday. And then off in the distance, I heard a little motor putting around the corner. Could it be? Oh yes, it is the mailman. But is he coming here? Is he really coming here? Fingers crossed. I wait. He comes to the mailbox. Yes, he rounds the corner and comes up the driveway. But is that box for me? It is! And there it is, 2018 Unparalleled football. Been waiting for this to come in. I opened 2 or 3 of these already. As you know, if you're following the videos, I'm kind of finding stuff. 2018 is now, of course, past, and I'm kind of looking back at last year to see what I liked, what I didn't like, what I felt like I opened enough of, what I felt like I didn't open enough of, what the price has come down on, what the price has gone up on, and kind of making decisions from there what I'm going to open here on the channel. I'm also factoring in the fact that I've had this crazy luck streak and what might possibly deliver some more big hits. So Unparalleled came to mind. It is a favorite for some, not so much for others. I like the look of the crazy cards. Other people, like I said, do not. So, alright, that's enough talky. Let's do the walkie and see. There are 2 autos and 1 mem. Hey, I think it's time to take my knife down a blade. I have not pulled anything amazing out of Unparalleled. Matter of fact, I don't even remember what I pulled out of Unparalleled, so that tells you that it's definitely nothing too wonderful. There are only 8 packs in here. But you can get inserts, of course, parallel, number stuff. I think you're guaranteed a certain number of parallels in here, if I remember correctly. Alright, starting off with Alex Smith. There's a Kamara. That is galactic parallel. Or pattern. I don't know if they call it parallel or not. Demetrius Harris, rookie. And that is Flight. Anthony Miller, rookie. Shine. Chris Hogan. I was trying to check for which ones are numbered. This is Impact to 75. High Flyers, Doug Baldwin. Carlton Davis, rookie. And James Washington, rookie. So a decent first pack for sure. Brennan Scarlett, rookie. Not familiar with him. Rashard Matthews. AJ McCarron. Quadri Henderson, rookie. I think this should be numbered. Equimania St. Brown. And that is the Astral pattern, numbered to 200. Roger Worley, Pioneers. Not numbered. Dante Jackson, rookie, and Royce Freeman, rookie. I think we got a hit here. John Timu. What does that say? Lack Edwards. LAC. Lack Edwards. Kirk Cousins, Flight pattern. Neil Sterling, rookie. Patrick Mahomes, Bright Futures. Looks like we have a Sam Darnold. Is it numbered to 75? It does have ink. It's a sick patch. Yes. The look continues. This is green. We're going to call this the luck of the Irish. Although I'm barely any Irish. I'm mostly just English. Sweet. Look how thick that patch is just protruding out there. It is a sticker autograph that I'm trying really hard not to drop because you guys know that's what I do. Drop cards. It is the impact pattern. As you can see, the 75. Sweet hit. Unparalleled. Delivers. The hot streak continues. Yes. I keep telling myself I'm going to slow down on buying boxes because I had vowed to slow my roll with this stuff. But the hits just keep on coming. I mean, it's hard to stop. Alright, Josh Allen rookie. Sweet. Ito Smith. Oh, and the other was the Bright Futures Mahomes. I'm trying to see. And it is numbered. It's the Astral pattern numbered to 200. So, awesome pack there. Absolutely awesomeness. The Gloomy Saturday just got even better. This one feels thick, so I'll pass on that. So that must be my jersey card. So what are we looking for? We're looking for one more auto and one mem card. So I guess that's the mem card. There is the Mahomes base. Corey Littleton. Austin Traylor rookie. Dalton Schultz. Tyrod Taylor to 200. Astral pattern. Bright Futures Le'Veon Bell. Not numbered. Cortland Sutton. And MJ Stewart. Alright, we got 4 more packs to go. This is taking a minute, but honestly, I kind of like that. That's one, even though there's only 8 packs, I like that there's so much variation here that you kind of get your money's worth by just taking your time and checking these out. Although some of you may be going, ah, speed it up, speed it up. Slow down, everybody. Enjoy life. Ezekiel Anza. Joey Bosa. Donta Foreman. LeGarrette Blount. Justin Hardy, Astral Pattern rookie to 200. I don't know who Justin Hardy is. Christian Kirk, rookie focus. Not numbered. Corey Robertson, rookie. And Derwin James, rookie. I keep looking over at that Darnold. It is so sweet. It's ridiculous. Des Bryant. Le'Veon Bell. Brandon Brooks. Rookie. Dante Jackson, rookie. Miles Jack. That is to 150. Super plaid. A lot of Mahomes here, so that's good. Victorious. Not numbered, but still. Vita Vea and Traquan Smith. Okay, there's 2 packs. One should be auto, and this is going to be... Well, this could be it, but this is heavy, so I'm guessing this is the game used. Or, not necessarily game used. The mem card. We don't know that it's game used most of the time. Now it's not. Alright. Matt Ryan. Khalil Mack. What? Tress Way. Boy, they really stretch for some of the rookies in this. Derwin James again. Maybe that's a different pattern this time. Not sure. AJ Green. Then we have the hit is Bright Futures. Looks like Jared golf? It is. Little tiny jersey piece. Let's see. Player worn material. Not numbered. I do like golf though, so I'm not going to complain about this. A good looking card for sure. Look at that. Huh. Alright. Nathan Shepard and Roquan Smith. Okay. Last pack should be an auto. Probably won't be nearly as good as that Sam Darnold, but let's see. You never know. Who's this? Vontae Davis. Alvin Kamara. I'll try to save it till last. Deontay Burnett, rookie, and Quadri Henderson, rookie again. I know we've already pulled that. Russell Wilson. Deontay Burnett again. Philip Supernall, Super Plaid to 150. And Mark Andrews is the last. It is a rookie auto. Not numbered, unfortunately, but Mark Andrews wraps it up. But we all know the star of this show. God, that's gorgeous. I've pulled obviously some much better, bigger hits lately, but I can't say that many of them look better than this. Although that gold, man, the simplicity of that gold Baker Mayfield Donner's Optic. I mean, there's nothing too flashy about it, but that card is just sick. That just gold shining, looking back at you, just clean. Oh man, that's a card. Alright, I'm gonna quit blabbing. I've already talked a ton in this video. I've been promising some new and interesting stuff coming up, and I'm gonna deliver. That stuff should be here. I've got 2 things coming on Monday, but those things will probably be here like Tuesday, Wednesday. And yeah, I'll get that posted at ASAP. Hopefully there'll be some big exciting stuff in there. I got some stuff with lots of hits to make sure that it was going to be really exciting to open. Hopefully there'll be some good stuff. And everybody take care. Hope your weekend is not rainy, snowy, gloomy, whatever. I hope it's sunny, bright, shiny, and that you're having fun. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.